In this video, I'll show you how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So if you're trying to log into your WhatsApp account and getting this error called this account can no longer use WhatsApp, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the WhatsApp application and then tap on app info here. And from the app info, go and tap on clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and then simply just get back from here and then open up the Play Store from your device and then simply go and search for WhatsApp. Go and tap on WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp again, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to the very latest version. And right after that, it's just to scroll down from this page a little bit and you'll get to see the app support. You'll get to see the app down arrow button. You just need to tap on this and this is going to show you the email address, the support email address for this specific application. So now you just need to tap on this email address here and this will redirect you to the application. Just need to select the Gmail app from the list. And at the very top, you'll get to see your email address, and this is the support email address. You just need to select the subject first, and you just need to type in the WhatsApp account banned. And once you have typed in the subject, go ahead and come to the compressed email here. And you just need to type whatever I have written here. My WhatsApp account has been banned. And also you just need to include your WhatsApp contact number with the country code. I have already given this, so you can pause the video and you can type everything you have written here. And right after that, just go ahead and tap on the send button at the top right, and the mail will be sent to the support team. And most likely they will give you the feedback as soon as possible, and most likely you will be able to log into your WhatsApp account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.